When I first moved to Ireland about 6 years ago, a local butcher gave me the recipe for this traditional corned beef and cabbage, and I've been making it this way ever since. Start with about a kilo and a half of corned beef silverside, pop it into a pot, cover it up with water, bring it up to boil, and then once it's bubbling, reduce it down to a simmer and simmer it for an hour and a half until it is nice and soft and tender. And then what you do is chop up a whole lot of cabbage and pop it into the cooking liquid that you've removed the meat from, so it gets all of that lovely flavor. So just pop it all in and bring it back up to the bubble and cook it until the cabbage is nice and softened. You can add a bit of butter too as well, lovely Irish butter to make it even more tasty. And then serve it all up once the cabbage is tender and you've got your lovely cooked corned beef silverside, and it makes such a hearty, comforting meal that is just so full of flavor.